Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ito po si Engineer Louis Alcarde from Midas IT Philippines. Ngayon naman po, ipe-present ko sa inyo i-introduce ko sa inyo itong Midas Gen, Integrated Design System for Buildings and General Structures. Now, I will answer the first four questions. Why choose Midas Gen? So, the first reason why we should choose Midas Gen is its intuitive user interface. Ito pong intuitive user interface tsaka contemporary computer graphics and substantially fast solver speed. Ito po yung mga highlights ng ating Midas Gen. The user-oriented input-output features and significant analysis capabilities enable the practicing engineers and researchers to readily undertake structural analysis and designs for all types of buildings and even complex and long-span structures. Now, sa interface pa lang po, panalong-panalo na ang ating Midas Gen. Kasi ito po yung bago. Alam naman po natin na here in the Philippines, we want to expand our knowledge sa mga bagong labas na software. Now, Midas Gen, hindi lamang po siya bago, kundi nakakatulong po ito para mas mapadali po yung ating projects as civil engineers. Now, next po, another answer bakit kailangan nating piliin ang ating Midas Gen ay naman po yung ating advanced analysis features. Ito naman po, kasi si Midas Gen nag-o-offer ng conventional analysis as well as other analysis such as geometric nonlinear analysis reflecting large displacement, pati po boundary nonlinear analysis, pushover analysis for that matter, and of course, construction simulated analysis na nagre-reflect po ng time-dependent material properties and another po is heat of hydration analysis and etc. Ito pong mga analysis na ito, nasa loob na po ito ng Midas Gen. We only have to know what are these types of analysis and yun po yung mga analysis na kailangan nating gamitin in actual projects. And of course, advantage siya ni Midas Gen kasi nga nandito na siya sa ating software readily. Next naman po na advantage ng ating Midas Gen, why should we choose Midas Gen, is ang accurate and practical results na kanyang gene-generate. Meron tayong diverse ranges of specialty finite elements in conjunction with the latest theories of structural analysis, na nagre-render po ng accurate and practical results. Ito po yung nagpo-provide ng convenience, efficiency, versatility, and productivity sa ating trabaho po. So, mas madali po sa atin na gamitin yung Midas Gen kasi nga naglalabas na siya ng accurate and practical results na kailangan po natin sa ating pag-design ng ating projects. Now, lastly, ang design capabilities naman po ng ating Midas Gen. Ito pong Midas Gen, nagpo-provide po siya ng design capabilities using various standards of different countries, reflecting conventional as well as unusual design conditions, leading to optimal design. Now, ang Midas Gen po has been used for over 20 years and ina-apply na po ito for an uncountable number of projects who are successful, thereby demonstrating its credibility and stability. Alam naman po natin na marami na po tayong structures around the world na ginamitan po natin ng Midas Gen. For example po nito yung 2008 Beijing Olympic Stadium sa China, ginamitan na po ng Midas Gen. Ang Torre Eurosky sa Italy, Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world, ginamitan din po ng Midas Gen. Moscow City Palace sa Russia, and pati po yung Shanghai Expo Japan Pavilion sa China. Ito po yung mga ito po yung mga projects na nagde-demonstrate ng credibility and stability ng ating Midas Gen. Now, magdi-discuss ko naman po sa inyo ang kung gaano po kadali gamitin ang ating Midas Gen, because meron na po siyang innovative and integrated design process. Makikita po natin na from modeling to loads to analysis until the result, meron na po tayong features niyan dito sa Midas Gen. Now first, we will discuss the modeling ng ating Midas Gen. Dito po sa ating modeling, meron po tayong tinatawag na mas easy file manipulation, because meron po tayong direct data transfer with Tekla, Revit, and even STAAD. We can also import and export AutoCAD, DXF files, MS3, MSC, and MGT files. Lahat po yan. Pwede po natin siyang i-merge. Pwede po tayong mag-merge ng data files, and meron po tayong unlimited undo or redo and step return using history po sa ating modeling file. Now, another one is the modules for multi-tower buildings. Meron po tayong, ang Midas Gen po nagpo-provide ng automatic generation of floor diaphragm for each tower, and wind and seismic loads can be assigned by towers. So, katulad po nito, nag-iiba-iba po yung, for example lamang po, in defining module of multi-tower buildings, makikita po natin na i-analyze na po yan ni Midas Gen easily po sa pag-automatically na pag-generate niya ng kanyang mga floor diaphragms. Another advantage po dito sa ating modeling, meron po tayong tinatawag na section property calculator. Ito po, pinoprovide po ni Midas Gen ang section property calculator, which calculates stiffness data for any shape or form ng ating mga sections. And section shape can also be drawn, or a DXF file can be imported dito sa ating Midas Gen. Ito naman, the shape and properties of the generated section can be exported to Midas Gen as well. Another one is ang tinatawag nating structure wizard. A unit of structures such as frame, an arc, a truss, a plate, even ang shell may be modeled by this automated modeling tool independently and may be combined later with the total model. Makikita po natin yan dyan. So, ito po yung isang advantage po ng Midas Gen na paglagay po sa ating modeling pa lang po, may advantages na po siya. Sa modeling pa rin po, meron tayong semi-rigid diaphragm. Ito po sa accidental eccentricity para po sa mga flexible floor diaphragm, pwede pong i-consider in the response spectrum analysis ng ating Midas Gen. Accidental torsion is considered for each individual masses and calculated by the product of inertia force, and accidental eccentricity at each masses po. So, ito po, semi-rigid diaphragm. Pwede na po yung automatic na ma-generate dito sa ating Midas Gen. And lastly, our walkthrough effect. Meron po tayong model window who can represent common model shapes as well as shapes generated by hidden lines, removal of hidden surfaces, shading, lighting, dispersion of color tone, etc. Yun po, ang pag-model, analysis, and design results may be displayed in rendering views, katulad po ng nakikita natin sa ating screen. The input status of the model or each type of the analysis and design results can be visually verified by walking through or flying over the interiors of the structures. So, aside po sa mga earlier na advantages sa modeling part pa lang po, meron din po tayong powerful rendering na pwede nating gamitin sa ating pag-analyze ng structure. Now, punta naman po tayo sa application ng ating loads. makikita po natin na dito sa itong first photo, ang floor load generation. Itong function na ito, inaalaw po tayo to readily specify uniformly distributed dead and live loads on specific areas of the floor. Now, makikita po natin na we can apply directly floor loads kung saan po natin silang gusto i-apply even for complicated structures like this. Pwede po natin silang lagyan ng floor loads depending on the need of the structure. And it will be easy na for MidasGen to do that because sa floor loads dito are magiging automatically distributed na po and applied to the individual beams as we can see here, girders or columns. Surely magli-lead po ito for speedy analysis and design ang pag-apply pa lamang po ng floor loads. Now, makikita din po natin dito sa ating dynamic loads, ang seismic analysis can be performed while implementing dynamic loads and nonlinear elements. Pwede po natin gawin yan dito sa ating MidasGen, ang dynamic loads. Another one is ang static wind and seismic loads. Makikita po natin dito sa ating, ang MidasGen, automatic siya na mag-generate ng static wind and seismic loads sa building structure natin on each story, as we can see in this photo. All one has to do is to provide the applicable standard and the building data. Kailangan lamang po natin gawin as a user, ilalagay lang po natin yung standard na kailangan or yung gagamitin natin sa ating model. And of course, yung building data and automatic, si MidasGen na po yung magge-generate ng kanyang static wind and seismic loads for us. Now, ito naman po ang hydrostatic pressure loads. Nakikita po natin in structures na nangangailangan ng na mag-a-apply tayo kung saan tayo mag-a-apply ng hydrostatic pressure loads. Automatically, it will be calculated at each corner node of the elements. The point pressure is obtained by multiplying the distance from the given surface of the fluid by the density of the fluid. So, again, automatic po na pag may structure na tayo and may fluid tayo, alam natin yung density ng ating fluid, automatic na po na ilalagay ni MidasGen yung ating loads for that. Hydrostatic pressure loads for that matter. Now, next po tayo sa analysis. Dito naman po sa analysis, may pinoprovide po si MidasGen na construction stage analysis. Ito po yung may capability po si MidasGen to provide that, which reflects the time-dependent material properties of concrete such as modulus of elasticity, creep and shrinkage, as well as that. And the change in material properties are reflected while simulating construction sequence with respect to the change in geometry, boundary conditions, and loads relative to time. So, yun po yung isa sa mga advantage ni MidasGen, yung construction stage analysis niya na kinoconsider po yung time-dependent material properties na ating nilalagay sa ating model. Another one is our floor vibration analysis. Dito po, ang serviceability of floor structures can be evaluated by dynamic time history analysis. And this time, MidasGen would provide a number of time history forcing functions for walking loads or for floor vibrations. Kasama na po yan sa mga analysis na pinoprovide ni MidasGen. Makikita po natin dito na may serviceability check report na po tayong generate after we go through our analysis. Now, dito naman po tayo sa ating results. Pagpunta po natin sa results, advantage po ni MidasGen, meron na po siyang dynamic report generator. Si Midas Gen po nagge-generate ng report using analysis and design results galing din po sa Midas Gen. Lahat po ng input and output data can be plotted in a diagram, graph, text, and table format, even table format. For the data entered in the report can be modified and saved by the user in MS Word format. Pwede po natin siyang i-copy sa Word format without any limitations. Using the dynamic report regenerator, pwede po nating i-update yung contents of the report by reflecting changes in the model file. So once po na naglalagay tayo ng change sa ating model file, automatic po na mag-reflect na po yun sa ating reports. So another one is our beam detail analysis. Meron po tayong beam detail analysis dito sa ating results ng Midas Gen. Ang beam detail analysis naman po, ito yung member displacement, forces, and stresses. Pwede po natin siyang ma-examine for various section locations. And also, detail forces and stresses in beam members resulting from detail analysis of individual elements can be verified in the beam detail analysis. Any point in any section can be examined. So, ito po yung isa sa mga advantage po talaga ng Midas Gen, yung beam detail analysis, since we can analyze at any point and in any section na kailangan nating i-analyze. Now, that's it for our introduction of Midas Gen. Of course, pwede po we can look through this if we go to our Facebook. You can also always visit us at our Facebook group. Just visit facebook.com/groups/MidasPHLab. And of course, ang aming Facebook page na facebook.com/MidasITPH. And that's it for today. I hope na if you have any questions po, you can always visit our Facebook group or email us at philippines@midasit.com. So, that's it for our introduction for our Midas Gen. See you on our next video. And I hope you guys are doing fine today. And thank you for watching this video.